Hi YouTube and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to saddle stitch. I assume you know how to prepare your thread, needle and punch holes, so let's get on to it. First, using your second hole, get through your needle and then make sure that both align when the thread is stretched out. Now, get the needle on your right through the first hole and with your left side needle, make a cross. Your left side needle should be on the back side of your right needle. After, hold your cross with your left hand and grab the right side needle thread with your right hand and try to keep a light tension on it. Then, go right back through your first hole with the needle on your left. You can now let go of the cross and make a loop around left side needle with your right hand thread. Now pull out the needle and make it tight. Here, same procedure as we did earlier, only difference, we're now going forward instead of backwards. We've done this to make sure that the thread stays tightly on your leather. If you would consider subscribing, it would really help this channel progress further. I will now shut up and let you focus on the actions I'm doing in the clip. After you've done stitching and reached your final hole, we will do the same back stitch as we did in the beginning of the video. If you will have any more questions or would like to see more quick tutorials like this, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on another one.